channel, Jade ThaJewel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I get a top knot, a ninja bun, whatever you want to call it. For this hairstyle, all you will need is all of the products I'm about to show you. You'll be needing some edge booster, edge control, you'll be needing some Styler Krystal Gel. I got this in crystal. You'll be needing some Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Cream. This is what it looks like, just like this. You'll be needing some Pump It Up Spritz. Girl, this Spritz is good. And it smells good. Okay. And you also will be needing some flat iron. You don't need to flat iron your whole entire head, but these will be good for flat ironing your hair. You'll be needing, simple stuff like brushes and combs and hair ties, rubber bands, and a headband if you want to use it. But anyways, you'll also be needing some Shake and Go pre-stretched 18-inch braid hair. Okay, and it's 100% Kanangalon, pre-cut, pre-feathered, pre-stretched, okay, pre-layered, easy to manage, perfect for blending, soft and easy to brush, hot water set, natural blowout texture, no tangling in hair loss, so up to 2 hours, no prep needed. Get you some. I got mine for $6.99, and it came with uno, dos, tres bundles. Okay, this is great. Okay, I love this. It came with 3 bundles, y'all. I like this because it's not super long, and I don't have to cut it and worry about, my top not being too big and looking like ice cream cone or anything like that. So this hair is great, and I also like it because it comes with 3 bundles. So if I mess up this bundle, I can go to this bundle. If I mess up this bundle, I can go to this bundle. So yeah, go get you some of this hair. Mine costs $6.99. Of course, it's gonna cost different prices in different areas, but I'm sure it's not gonna be over $10. So go get y'all some of this hair and so look. Now let's go ahead and get into the hairstyle. Oh yeah.
Alright you guys, so the first thing I have is 4-band 2 knots. 4-band 2 knots are great for stretching your hair prior to a hairstyle such as this one or sleek ponytails. So make sure you guys stretch your hair. Right now, all I'm doing is just taking down just the front section of my 4-band 2 knots just to work with the front section first. Detangling my hair with my fingers and rubbing my scalp from all of the tension, I'm now going to move on to applying some edge booster all around my edges or the perimeter of my edges. I don't know what I was laughing at, you guys. I'm just going to apply a small amount but a decent amount to my edges. Once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and start brushing that edge control in. Applying some more, I'm just going to brush that in again. Now using my Styler Krystal Gel, I'm just going to take some of that in my hands, rub it together, and apply that all over my hair. Using my handy dandy brush, I'm just going to brush those products into my hair and putting it into one single ponytail. Now this is only half of my hair. I like to work in 2 sections because it's a lot easier to work with. Okay, so I did take down my Bantu knots in the back off camera, but I took them down and now I'm just applying some more edge booster to the back of my hair and brushing that in. Once the back is nice and brushed up, I'm now going to take down this front section and join the ponytails to make them into one single ponytail. Using some H2O, I'm just gonna spray that all over my hair just to break up the products I already have in there, and use my brush to brush my hair up. Now using the headband I told you about in the beginning, I'm going to use that to put my hair in a ponytail. All you're doing with the headband, you're going to cut the headband and you're going to put that in the back of your hair and pull the 2 strings and to put your hair into one single ponytail. And I'm just going to tie that to secure it, just to make sure my ponytail is nice and tight. Now using a small amount of edge booster, I'm just going to apply that to my edges and brush that in with my handy dandy toothbrush. Now I'm going to put on my scarf and leave this on while I'm doing this very important part that's about to come up next. Using some Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioning cream, I'm going to apply that to my hair and put my hair in the smallest knot I possibly can. Once my hair is put into a knot, I'm just going to secure it with a rubber band. Once secured, I'm just going to add a couple of extra rubber bands just to make sure the ponytail is nice and secure. Using the 2 ends of the headband, I'm just going to wrap that around my ponytail. This part of the process is going to make your own ponytail taller. I did that twice, and once I did that, I'm going to tie it into a knot. Once tied into a knot, I'm just going to secure the 2 ends with rubber bands. Now I have already applied my ponytail, or slapped on my ponytail, y'all. What you're going to do, you're going to twist the hair and you're going to twist under for the first section. So for the first section, the first bottom half of the bun, you're going to twist and you're going to twist under. Okay, so twist and twist under. Now for the top section, you're going to twist and twist over. See how I'm twisting and twisting over? For the top section, you are going to need a lot more hairpins. Remember, hairpins are the open ones. I will say the top section is a lot more difficult than bottom section because now you're running out of a ponytail to put it on. So yes, what you want to do for the top section is twist and twist over, okay? Bottom half, you want to twist and twist under. Top half, you want to twist and twist over. Once you have the top half somewhat complete, you're going to be left with strands of hair. With those strands of hair, all you want to do is just take the hair and twist it into like a little mini cinnamon roll and place it in the middle and secure it with hairpins. You can also use bobby pins, but I personally prefer hairpins for this hairstyle. using more hairpins, I'm just going to keep securing this ponytail. Now shifting and shaping my ponytail. And that did make my neck tired. Now I'm just going to put that little piece in the ponytail. Next, I went ahead and did my edges. If you want to see how I do my edges, please make sure you check out my video on how I slay my edges. Now, remind you, in the beginning of the video, I told you you're going to need flat irons. These flat irons are just going to be for wispies. This is definitely an optional step, and this is completing this hairstyle. Alright you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys understood what I was saying on how to achieve this hairstyle. Also, make sure you guys check out my Jade ThaStylist channel. I will definitely put that in the description box, and I will also put all of the products I use. I did show them in the beginning of the video, but I did use a couple extra products, so I'll make sure I'll put all the products in the description box, and I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
I bet this was wrong. Make you feel nice and comfortable.